Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to talk about if it is possible to see who liked your playlist on Spotify. So let's start. Okay, so first open up a web browser and go to spotify.com. Now, once you are in here, you can log into your account, and here in your dash, let's open a playlist. And here we can see that this playlist has 200,000 likes. But if we click on the likes, nothing would happen. All right, because this is because Spotify does not have the functionality to show the users who like the playlist. So even if you go to your own playlist, so let's go back to home and let's go to a playlist. So this is my playlist. So here, the only thing that you can actually click is your name, but you can't click on the songs or if someone liked your playlist. Okay, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.